Hi, today I will be showing you how to seamlessly embed Humata's AI chatbot on any website. As you can see, I've uploaded documentation regarding diabetes research. You can upload PowerPoint presentations, Word documents, PDF files from 10 pages to thousands of pages. This documentation will be used to answer questions with Humata's AI chatbot. Now, you can ask questions across all your documentation, but we're not going to be doing that right now. We're actually going to grab the code to embed it on our site. The way you do that is you go to Share, you then select how you want Humata to answer questions, be more strict on documentation or be more creative. We're then going to copy the embed code. We're going to go to our website where users can actually learn more about cutting-edge diabetes research, and we're going to embed our chatbot. Now we're going to paste the code that we copied. We're going to hit save, and just like that, now you have Humata's AI chatbot on your website where users can ask any questions. Now let's ask a question. What is the latest research curing diabetes? Now Humata will answer that question. The other great thing about Humata is that it will actually reference all the documentation and cite that information to easily fact check it. And so as we can see here, we can click on any of these citations and fact check that information. Now you can use Humata's AI chatbot for lead generation, research, or for many use cases, or even for company-wide internal purposes from onboarding employees to procedures, policies, and more. So go ahead and give Humata a try today. Thank you.